How do you feel about that?
Substance abuse and behavioral disorder counselors can turn people's lives around.
Same town?
Yes.
I'd like to ask you all a question. How many people here believe you have a problem with alcohol and drugs?
They help people break free of addiction to alcohol, tobacco, drugs, or gambling.
Hi, Thalia. How are you?
Hey.
Come on and have a seat.
Or they may work with clients to develop strategies for coping with other behavioral problems, such as overeating. Often this profession requires providing evening and weekend hours to counsel clients who work during the day. Sessions may be one-to-one counseling or in small groups. They can take place in a wide array of locations, from schools to healthcare facilities, even correctional institutions. Some counselors may also serve as administrators. They might develop education programs and evaluate the progress of treatment plans. It's a job that calls for patience and empathy. It also requires college-level work in a range of courses, including psychology, social work, and youth and family services. Substance abuse and behavioral disorder counselors might describe their work as sometimes draining and exhausting, but they know they're helping people lead better lives, and that can be exhilarating.